Hello student, welcome to my class. I am Trideep, your chemistry teacher. Okay. And this is our first class of chemistry. So we will see in this class what is chemistry, where chemistry is used, and what are the different branches of chemistry. So let us first see what is chemistry, and after that on the next video or next class onwards we will move into our chapter. So let us see the definition of chemistry, or what is chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the study of substances and what happen to them in different conditions or when they mix with each other. Here the substances means atoms, molecules or compounds, etc. So in chemistry we will see different properties of atoms, molecules or compounds and their physical properties as well as chemical properties, and we will also see what happens when two different substances react with each other or mix with each other. Okay, so let us first see the here it is written is in chemistry we will see what happens to different substance in different conditions. That means when we apply heat to ice, it is converted to water. So due to heat, ice converted to water. So we will see the change of physical state, or also we will see the chemical properties like acidity, basicity. We will also see the melting point, boiling point, etc. And here it is written that let us take an example of two elements or substance that are hydrogen and oxygen. Both of them are gases. Hydrogen is a gas, oxygen is also a gas. But in proper condition, when they react with each other, they produce a different compound which is known as water and which is liquid in nature. So what happens? In proper condition, different types of atom react with, or element react with each other, or substances react with each other to produce a new substance. These substances are known as reactant and the final substance is known as product. Now let us move to some branches of chemistry. These are some branches of chemistry which are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry and biochemistry. Organic chemistry deals with the study of organic substances. Organic chemistry deals with the study of organic substances. What are organic substances? The substances of carbon. Mainly the substances of carbon are known as organic substance, or simply we can say that substances having carbon and hydrogen bond. Substances having carbon and hydrogen bond are known as organic substance. In class 10 we have studied about alkane, alkene and alkyne. These are known as hydrocarbons. Alkane, alkene and alkyne all are organic substances. Okay. The next branch is inorganic chemistry. It deals with the study of inorganic substance. What are inorganic substances? The substances where no carbon hydrogen bond is present. Okay. study of different properties of macroscopic particle. The next branch is analytical chemistry. In this branch, or this branch deals with the study of different methods, and instrument. This branch deals with the study of methods and different instruments which are used to separate substances or mixtures. Normally it is practical oriented. And the biochemistry, last one. Biochemistry deals with the biological phenomenon. So biochemistry deals with the biological phenomenon. These are some main branches of chemistry. Besides that, there are some other branches of chemistry, but mainly in class 11 and 12 we will study about these branches. Besides that, there is a branch spectroscopy, which is also a branch of chemistry. Another branch is quantum chemistry. Okay, that's all for today's class. On the next class onward, we will proceed to our chapter number 1. Okay, thank you class.